Question number 1. In 1907, Surat split into how many parts did the Congress divide? Correct answer is option A, 2. Question number 2. Who were the main leaders of the two factions after the 1907 Surat split? Correct answer is option A. Question number 3. What is the main reason for the 1907 Surat split in the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option A. Ideological difference between moderates and extremists. Question number 4. Which faction was led by Bal Gangadhar Tilak after the 1907 Surat split? Correct answer is option B, extremist. Question number 5. Who was the president of the Indian National Congress during the 1907 Surat split? Correct answer is option C, Rash Bihari Ghosh. Question number 6. Which significant event followed the Surat split in 1908 highlighting the extremist approach? Correct answer is option C, Alipur bomb case. Question number 7. Who started the Home Rule movement? Correct answer is option C, both Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant. Question number 8. What was the main objective of the Home Rule movement? Correct answer is option B, self-governance within the British Empire. Question number 9. In which year was the Home Rule movement launched? Correct answer is option B, in 1916. Question number 10. Who started the magazine Young India? Correct answer is option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 11. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occur? Correct answer is option A, in 1915. Question number 12. What was the main aim of the Young India magazine? Correct answer is option B, advocate for Indian independence. Question number 13. Who was responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Correct answer is option B, General Dyer. Question number 14. When did the non-cooperation movement start? Correct answer is option B, in 1920. Question number 15. Who was the main leader of the non-cooperation movement? Correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 16. What was the primary goal of the non-cooperation movement? Correct answer is option B, to achieve self-governance within the British Empire. Question number 16. When did Mahatma Gandhi return to India? Correct answer is option A, in 1915. Question number 17. In which year did the Dandi March take place? Correct answer is option C, in 1930. Question number 18. What was the main objective of the Dandi March? Correct answer is option A, to protect against the salt tax. Question number 19. Who accompanied Mahatma Gandhi during the Dandi March? Correct answer is option D, a group of his followers. Question number 21. What was the objective of the civil disobedience movement? Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 22. Who was the main leader of the civil disobedience movement? Correct answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 23. In which year did the civil disobedience movement start? Correct answer is option B, in 1930. Question number 24. When did the Quiet India movement start? Correct answer is option C, in 1942. Question number 25. Who led the Champaran Satyagraha? Correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 26. What was the main objective of the Quiet India movement? Correct answer is option C, to gain independence from British rule. Question number 27. In which year did the Champaran Satyagraha take place? Correct answer is option B, in 1917. Question number 28. When did India gain independence? Correct answer is option C, in 1947. Question number 29. Who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? Correct answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 30. What was the main aim of the Quiet India movement? Correct answer is option C, to gain independence from British rule. Question number 31. Where did Mahatma Gandhi first use the technique of Satyagraha? Correct answer is option D, South Africa. Question number 32. What was the main aim of Gandhi's Satyagraha movement? Correct answer is option C, non-violent resistance against injustice. Question number 33. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi start the Champaran Satyagraha? Correct answer is option B, in 1917. Question number 34. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi conduct his first Satyagraha in India? Correct answer is option B, in 1917. Question number 35. In which area did Mahatma Gandhi first implement Satyagraha in India? Correct answer is option A, Champaran. Question number 36. What was the main aim of the Champaran Satyagraha? Correct answer is option C, to address the grievance of indigo farmers. Question number 38. Which prominent leader was known as the father of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option D, Alan Octavian Hume. Question number 39. Who was the prominent leader who led the Short March in 1930? Correct answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 40. In which year was the Indian National Congress founded? Correct answer is option B, 1885.